Creating a homemade liquid fertilizer for your vegetable plants can greatly enhance their growth and overall health. This special mixture uses simple household items to provide essential nutrients and promote plant vitality. It's easy to make and can be a cost-effective alternative to store-bought fertilizers. By preparing this nutrient-rich solution, you can ensure your plants receive the best care possible. With a few basic steps, you'll have a powerful fertilizer ready to boost your garden's productivity. To start, take 1 liter of lukewarm water in a container. Add 2 tablespoons of dry yeast, which is about 20 grams to the water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Followed by 1 tablespoon of sugar, either brown or white. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until everything is well dissolved. Once mixed, cover the container to block ultraviolet rays. Let the mixture sit for 30 to 40 minutes. During this time, you will notice the yeast beginning to react. After 30 minutes, if the mixture looks active, it is ready to be diluted. To use the mixture, dilute it by adding the 1 liter of prepared solution into 10 liters of water. Mix well to ensure even distribution of nutrients. This diluted mixture is now ready to be used as a fertilizer for your vegetable plants. Water your plants with this solution, making sure the soil around the roots is well saturated. The benefits of using this homemade fertilizer are numerous. The dry yeast in the mixture provides essential vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids, which are crucial for plant growth. Yeast promotes strong root development, ensuring that plants can efficiently absorb water and nutrients from the soil. This leads to healthier and more vigorous plants. Baking soda acts as a mild fungicide, helping to prevent and control fungal infections that can damage plants. It also helps to balance the soil's pH level, making it easier for plants to take up nutrients. Maintaining the right pH level is essential for optimal plant health and growth. Sugar in the mixture serves as a food source for the yeast, aiding in the fermentation process and releasing beneficial compounds. It also provides a small amount of direct nutrition to the plants, giving them an extra energy boost for growth. This simple and affordable homemade fertilizer can make a noticeable difference in your garden. By using common household items like dry yeast, baking soda, and sugar, you can create a powerful solution that enhances your plant's health and productivity. The process is straightforward. Mix the ingredients in lukewarm water, let the yeast activate, and dilute the solution before applying it to your plants. The yeast supports robust root development, the baking soda protects against fungal infections and balances soil pH, and the sugar fuels the yeast and provides extra nutrition. Give this homemade fertilizer a try and see the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.